sometimes our duty as a teacher not only to teach them about lessons in school, but also to counsel them or educate them about their personal problems.
What can you say about failed relationship?
Okay, so let me tell you this. My opinion about failed relationship is that you cannot teach old dogs new tricks. Meaning to say, no matter how loving, how faithful, how sincere, how persistent, consistent you are, you cannot change the person how he is. So, and you are expecting that what you give to that person, how you feel to that person, you will receive the same way. So that made the relationship fail, because you cannot teach old dogs new tricks. That is harsh, but that is the reality. So what you're going to do? Move on.